Welcome to Neo. This video will help you use the Neo Study app efficiently. First, click on Sign In and type in your login information. You now see your home screen. It shows your level goal and how many points you have earned. At first, you will earn 0 points. Tap the Study Now button. Neo will automatically take you to the next lesson on your personalized study path. Each Neo lesson has 5 steps. The blue dot shows you Step 1, Preview. In this step, you only listen to the new language.
This is Anna.
Pictures and animations will help you understand new words and expressions.
She comes from Mexico. This is Tony. He comes from England.
You also have to answer one question to check your understanding. If you need to, you can use the repeat button to listen to the question again.
Where does Anna come from?
Where does Anna come from?
Good.
This is Helen. She comes from Canada. This is Sanjay. He comes from India. Yes or no? Does Helen come from India? Yes, that's right. She doesn't come from India.
Answering questions will earn you points towards your goal.
Who comes from Canada?
Good choice.
Helen comes from Canada. Where does Sanjay come from? Yes, that's right. He comes from India.
At the end of every lesson step, Neo will give you the option to save your My Lessons. You will be asked to rate each step. If you click on the heart icon, Neo will let you save up to 12 of your favorite lesson steps, so you can study them again later. Every time you reach 6,000 study points and you choose to enter My Lessons, it will stay active for 24 hours. You'll know they are available when the heart icon is red. After finishing a lesson, Neo will show you how many points you earned in that step. Step 2 is Repeat. In this step, you can repeat sentences.
Does Anna come from England?
Just tap on the Repeat button.
Does Anna come from England?
Does Anna come from England?
After you repeat a sentence twice, the text button will become active. If you click on it, you will see the sentence written out. Each time you use the Neo buttons to study new material, you will earn points. Pay attention to the number of points that appear on the bottom of your screen. If you answer questions correctly, you will reach your points goal faster. Step 3 is Record. In this step, you can press and hold the Hold to Speak button and record the sentence that you heard.
Cloudy. The sun is behind the clouds.
Release the button when you are done.
Cloudy. The sun is behind the clouds.
Neo will compare your recording to the native speaker. This will help you improve your pronunciation and fluency. Step 4 is Speak. The Hold to Speak button automatically becomes active after each sentence you hear.
This is Anna.
Repeat each sentence.
This is Anna.
This is Anna.
Neo evaluates your speech using its integrated speech recognition technology. The words in green were clearly recognized. In this step, you can earn many points by speaking clearly. Be sure to complete speech recognition activities in a quiet place. The last step is Step 5, Review. As you review the lesson, you have the option of recording your voice again by using the Hold to Speak button. But you don't have to. Each Neo step takes only 5 to 10 minutes to complete. We recommend that you study between 5 to 7 steps in each study lesson. Remember, short, frequent study sessions are best when learning a new language. When you exit your learning session, you will see your total number of points and how far you have come in reaching your CEFR goal. Earning 6,000 points per week will help you reach your English goal in the fastest way possible. When you do reach your goal and the certification test unlocks, you can choose to take it right away or to review the lessons recommended for you by Neo's AI. You can also study your My Lessons. If you fail your certification test, Neo's AI will generate a personalized review with up to 12 lessons. When you complete the review, Neo will unlock the certification test again.